Yo, what's up? It's your boy Wahoo 18. Day 1 in Malaysia. Just landed. I'm at the airport right now. Just got my luggage. My good friend Master Abel Fong is gonna pick me up. And I think we're gonna go eat maybe, and then visit some line dance masters. I think that's the plan. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot of good stuff, man. Hello. How are you? How are you doing? Thank you. Okay. Oh, I sit here?
Yeah.
How are you, Sifu?
Are you good?
Good. Oh, long time no see.
Yeah. Tiring flight, huh?
Yeah, tiring. Famous Xuan Long School. So nice. Look at all these trophies. All these nice lions. First meal in Malaysia. Sifu Albert.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Sifu Andrew. Oh man, it's been crazy, man. My friend Master Albert Fong picked me up, visited Xuan Long, and the Sifu over there, Sifu Andrew Yap, he took me out to eat. We just hung out with him and he drove me to the hotel. Man, very cool guy. At the hotel now, I just checked in. I'm gonna rest up a little bit, unpack, and then I'm gonna be actually heading to Genting, hang out there, and then gonna come back here. That food we ate was good, I ain't gonna lie. That food was hella good, man. But I didn't want to vlog it, try to, be a good guest in front of my friends, new friends, whatnot. So I just wanted to chit chat. It was good though, but there's gonna be more food video later, man. I will do room tour later. There will be another video all about the hotel. I'm at the 5 Elements right now. Let's see my view right now. Hold on. That's my view. Not bad. Man, when I turn off my Osmo Pocket, I have this little case cover thing for the this gimbal part. I lost it. The gimbal protector, I lost it. I don't know what happened. I hope I don't mess up my camera, man. I don't have no protector. Hope it don't mess up for the next couple of days. 10 days I'm here. It's only day 1. See how long it lasts. But right now, I'm about to go to Chinatown and explore. I want to eat, but I don't know what we're doing tonight. I want to save my stomach. I don't know what time my friend's gonna pick me up, but I'm gonna just go explore, man. I'm excited, man. I settled down the hotel, unpacked everything already, but I'm ready to go. Let's go. Alright, I'm out here by myself, checking out the place. Sugar cane, I might have to get some sugar cane. Going to Chinatown, hotel's right next to Chinatown. Definitely gonna do a video in Chinatown. What to eat in Chinatown. That would definitely be a different video. I think this is a famous Chinatown right here. Alright, I'm gonna just explore the place for now. I don't want to record, man. So, peace out for now. So far, I just see a bunch of stores, man. Where's the food? Look at that. I walked all 4 streets, or all 4 sides, whatever you want to call it. That's all I see. Maybe just at the nighttime it's like this. Maybe in the daytime it's different. I don't know. Just got a drink from this place. I have no idea what it is, but kind of sweaty. Could use something to cool down. Like some herbal tea. Really nice and refreshing. I recommend. Genting, first time. The main stage. This is it. With Xuan Long over here. Came up here with Master Albert so he could drop off his students. Backstage. This is nice. So many poses, man. It's crazy. Rise and shine, baby. Day 2 in Malaysia. Right now it's 7:48 a.m. Woke up a little bit early. I actually set my alarm to 8 a.m. but I don't know. I just couldn't sleep. Jet lag. I don't know what it is, but I just couldn't get a full night's sleep. I kept waking up too, but I feel rested. I feel energized. I don't feel tired. Today I'm gonna visit Sifu Siow at his famous factory, WSH. He's the guy who makes all the lion heads, the hawk lion heads, what he's famous for. And I'm also gonna visit Lo Fuji, famous master who makes the 3 mirror lion heads. Wait, where's the food, right? Where's the food, man? I only ate 1 meal yesterday, surprisingly. I don't know what else I got going on today, but I do need food and I'm gonna get some breakfast today. So come on. Oh man, morning time is for sure different than nighttime. I like this a little bit better. Now that's packed. Last night was crazy, man. Yeah, this place is definitely different in the morning time, man. There's no damn vendors selling stuff. I actually see food. Chong fan á?
Trong phần này ai tập phải phấn.
Sa fan á?
Ai lạc mông.
Lưu lạc.
Kim trong có ai á.
hả?
Ok.
你有粥添埋，有乜你粥㗎？
有粥啊，心滾魚片粥、豬雜粥、白布粥、皮蛋瘦肉粥、就豬浸粥、豬雜粥。
邊個粥最好食㗎？
都好食啊，睇你中意食咩料咯。我哋粥底係一樣嘅。
OK，豬雜粥咁。
豬雜粥一碗啊，好，你出啦。好，一個腸粉，一個豬雜粥啊，好。
Not gonna lie, it's like humid and hot, but here I am eating porridge. But you know what? It's good. It's worth it. That meal I just had is only 16 RM. I think it's about 4.5 RM for $1. So that's not even like $4 for that meal, man. That's crazy cheap. I must try this another day, but that looks good. Trying some of this stuff over here. Ain't gonna lie, having the time of my life right here, man. Just trying a bunch of food, trying out some pastries from the spot over here on the corner. Right outside one of the Chinatown exits. I'm gonna bring that back to my hotel room and eat it. Walked around for like an hour and a half. Lots of good food, man. Alright, back in my hotel room. Chinatown eat was good. Make sure you watch that video, man. I put the link up there when it's ready. But man, right now I'm gonna just relax a little bit and then I'm gonna head to Sifu Siow place. Man, I was in the rush this morning. I forgot the car key, man. And homeboy let me back in. It's kind of weird, man. They just didn't check my ID or anything. Didn't it would verify if this was my room or not. Just kind of like let me in. I don't know about that security, man, but you know, I guess Malaysian people are trusting. I don't know. Here it is at the famous WSH. Doors are locked. I don't know if he's here yet. Sifu.
Hi.
Hong Ma. Thank you. Dunkin' Donuts in Malaysia. Gas station. Went to Sifu Siow place, Master Lim place, just chit chat, cool, not at the airport, or going to the airport to pick up some guests with Master Albert, but just at the gas station for now. Very. Actually, I don't eat a lot of Dunkin' Donut in America, so I don't know how it compares. At Xuan Long. Hello. Hello. All these nice trophies. Lions. Yo, man, I'm finally back home, dude. It's been a long day. It's 11:15. I'm tired, man. Ain't gonna lie. I sat in the car for a long ass time. I don't think I recorded much today, but morning I ate good food. I think y'all know that. And after that, I'm gonna go visit WSH Sifu Siow. Went to go eat with him. Some green noodles. That stuff was good. Then went back to his place and just hung out with his workers. Chit chat with them and whatnot, and they said no filming in the place because they got some, I guess they got some competition lines that they didn't want people to see it. So you know, I respected their wish. You know, I didn't record anything. And afterward, I went to go visit Lo Fuji, Master Lim. That dude is very knowledgeable, man. I will say that, man. Man, he's old school too, man. He's really into the kung fu aspect. I almost say we were talking. He was telling me stories and whatnot. And I was just listening and trying to absorb as much as I can. And he was painting a line while talking, so it was really nice just to see him paint. After that, had to go to the airport with Master Albert. Picked up some people from China that was coming to visit. I think there's some sort of VIP guests. I don't know. I didn't really get to know them. Then we had a dinner with them. I didn't record anything at dinner, but man, that food was good. I ain't gonna lie. Malaysian Chinese style food, and it was just good, man. Ooh, I took pictures. After that, went to go visit the Kwanlok school. First time seeing that. So that was nice to see it. Then after that, went to the Petronas Towers, Twin Towers. You see in pictures it looks big, but in person it's so big. It's huge, yo. It's huge. Now I'm here back in the hotel, man. I think I'm gonna call it a night, or I'm gonna get some rest first, and maybe I go downstairs afterwards. I'll rest up. I don't know. But I'm tired and I'm drained. So for now, I'm out. Peace.